Hi, I'm Kevin.
I'm Heather.
And we are at the Ohio Caverns, and we're going underground.
Yay!
Oh, Mom's excited.
No, if I was meant to be in a hole in the ground, I'd be dead. I'm like, I don't know.
So, we're not allowed to take any video in there, so we're going to show you some pictures. All right? So you'll see a picture here where there's a bat hibernating inside the cave, just a little small bat. The area where you see the picture of the entire family, we were almost 103 feet down into the ground. This last slide is of us climbing 60 steps out of this cavern. Well, there you go. Those pictures may not look as exciting as they were in person, but let me tell you, that was an amazing tour, and it wasn't as scary as we thought.
No, it was a lot more open than some that I've been in. And,
yeah.
I just don't like when they turn the lights out.
That was one moment where we had to pause for a minute. Heather, or the guide, just shut the lights off. We all stood still. We were perfectly fine. And to imagine that being dug out by farmers
in 1920?
1920, yeah.
21 or something like that.
So the rich history of Ohio strikes again, this time in Ohio Caverns, which is, by the way, privately owned.
Yes.
And it is
well maintained.
Very well maintained.
And I thought it was interesting that the lady that gave us a tour, she just grew up just a few feet that way.
Yeah.
And so this is something that is
just down the road.
Kind of theirs, and they're kind of proud of.
Oh yeah.
They really put a lot of work and effort into it, and they know what they're talking about and stuff, so it's pretty cool. Stalactites,
stalagmites, straws, columns.
Yep.
Rust was there.
Yeah, and they had a stalagmite that had rust on it, and then it had the calcium that came over top of it, and she said those are very, very rare. There's no place else in Ohio that you can find those.
And there's one picture of a huge stalactite hanging from the ceiling.
Yeah.
And how much did they say that weighed? I forget.
Like 400 pounds.
400 pounds.
It looks like a giant white carrot.
So you probably saw that. It's just an amazing tour. We highly recommend it. It's worth the drive. And it's a beautiful place. Once you get here, there's plenty of room to hang out and roam. So down below, we went all the way down to 103 feet deep in the ground. And you didn't feel it at all. You just gradually went down. So it was amazing. It was 54 degrees in the caverns.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That's warmer than it is out here right now. Guys, thanks for joining us for this little trip to the Ohio Caverns. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that little bell in the corner so you get notifications that we've got new videos coming up. And as always, more updates as we go.
Bye.